Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1965 Pontiac GTO. This is an original PHS documented car, guys. Killer car, heavily documented. 3-owner North Carolina car. It's been in North Carolina its whole life. Again, we have the PHS documentation for this car. We also have all the original owner's manuals, the original Protecto plate. We also have the original North Carolina title from 1965. Tons of original parts. This car was restored actually in 07, so it's an older restoration. He said there's not a lot of miles actually on the car since it was restored. He didn't know the exact miles on the car, but in 07 this was a frame-off rotisserie restoration. Original Reef turquoise car. This is the original color combination for the car except for the white convertible top. It came factory with a turquoise top, and they changed it to white when they restored it. But when you get underneath this car, the floorboards are body color. Killer car. Again, you know, I don't believe it's had any body panels changed on it. Love the color combination. I hate shooting convertibles with the top up, but it is wicked cold out here today, so we're just going to shoot it with the top up so Jordan can drive it down the road. A lot of the chrome and stainless is actually original, and in very nice shape. All your original GTO emblems, all that stuff is actually correct. There's a few little touch-up marks, little blemishes in the paint, but still very, very nice car, guys. And like I say, this trunk is just full of paperwork and original parts. Somehow the original antenna has gotten lost. I've ordered a new one from MPD. It'll be here probably tomorrow. You see the top fits good, the glass is nice. That top fits up real good. Top's in great shape. I should put some gloves on today. My hands are gonna freeze. Again, this is all your original tail panel and trim. Car's nice and flat down the sides. And again, I did not see where they had changed any panels on this car. It's got Yokaham radial red lines on it. You can see it's got the Rally 1 wheels, which I love. A little drip. The boys went over and put some, that's all that is, guys. If you see it, there's just a little water drips. They went over and put some gas in at the gas station, and water come off the top of the gas station, or the overhang there. You can see some little touch-up marks at the bottom of that door there. That's really kind of the extent of it. It's got the original engine in it. Again, we do have the PHS for it. It's a YS 389 4-barrel car, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, original air cleaner, original valve covers. I left those alone. That is one thing that I would definitely probably change, but I wanted you to see how the car came to us. Power steering, power brakes. Bought this from just a super nice guy, man. And he's had the car a long time. You can tell this car has always been just very well maintained. Nice car, guys. Most of the glass is original. I think the front windshield and I think both side glasses, the rears are original, but I think the side glasses were changed. A-pillar chrome's really nice. Chrome driver's mirror. I'd say these are original, guys. Love the turquoise on turquoise. Very pretty. Bucket seats, console. It's got the wood grain, or the wood steering wheel, the wood grain dash. It is a power top. Top works good, guys. You see they did the bows in turquoise and they redid it. Showing 32,300. I'm sure that's 130. Again, all factory dash. AM radio works, blower motor works. They put some Sun Pro gauges in it. It's Dynamax dual exhaust, factory 10 bolt, 323 safety track rear end. Oh, you know what? I took a picture of some of the documentation I wanted in a photo and left it on my desk in there. Pretty car, and again, loaded, original boot. Factory jack was spared. You can see it's all spackle coated like it should be. And again, tons of documentation. Any original parts that they've changed. And I've got all the other documentation that you're going to see in the photo. Like I say, original North Carolina title from 1965. All the original owner's manuals. Protecto plate. The PHS documentation. And there's some registrations that go back to like 1965, the 70s. Nice car, man. And a pleasure to drive, which these cars, they just drove good. Seats are nice. All the interior lights, like I say, the AM radio works. I don't know if I've seen anything that didn't work, guys. Dash is nice. Again, you can nitpick those a little bit. I'll bet you those are original. The A-pillar chrome is really nice. Like I say, just a little baby doll, man. Thing runs and drives excellent. Good car. Turn the key, point the direction, and go. Really not other than a fuel gauge up in the dash. Everything else, all that stuff works. You can see it's holding good oil pressure. Car's just nice and tight. Backup, yeah, backup lights work. Great car, man. This is just a good quality car. You can hear the radio works, blower motor, it all works. Doors open and close real nice. Again, antennas on the way. I think our shipper might have lost that. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. Can't stress that to you enough. Great way to keep in touch with us. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a video. Guys, always want to know, how do I get on a list? How do I, as soon as I post a video, I don't know how they do it, but you get a notification right to your phone. Have a great day, guys.